tomorrow.
What's our weather going to be looking like, Elisa?
Foggy tonight, so tomorrow morning you're going to want to take it easy as you're headed to work and school. But our snow melt from the last few days is causing some flooding problems near rivers. So near Spencer, Iowa, we have 2 flood warnings in effect. One for the Cheatham River and one for Little Sioux. One goes through effect until Tuesday, and the one for Little Sioux goes into effect until Friday. So we are already seeing some minor flooding there. Some moderate flooding is expected. For the Cheatham River at Spencer, it's currently at 9 feet, and the flood stage is at 8, so it is forecasted to fall. Moderate flooding is expected there. For the Little Sioux River at Spencer, currently at 10.3, flood stage is at 10. It's forecasted to crest on Tuesday. Minor flooding is expected there. So for your flood warning, just make sure if you do see that standing water, head to higher ground. Do not cross the flooded roads. It doesn't take much for the water to take your car. Turn around, don't drown, and be careful at night when it might be hard to see where that standing water is. For now, kind of foggy and cloudy in Storm Lake on our Skycam. Same thing on the Port Realty Company Skycam HD in Sioux City. Almost kind of hard to make out the Tyson Event Center with kind of those low-laying clouds and some mist. I was out just about 2 hours ago. It even seemed like there was some light drizzle as well. We got up to 45 degrees today. Our normal at 37, so still standing above normal. We'll get closer to normal as we get through the rest of the week. 37 with some clouds right now in Sioux City. Our temperature is pretty steady and not too different than they were this afternoon with that cloud cover. 37 in Sioux City, still looking at upper 30s in Nebraska, lower 30s in Iowa. All these cooler than we were yesterday, and we'll kind of stay steady with the temperatures for the next few days. Still hovering 40 degrees for our Monday afternoon. Same story on Tuesday as well. We'll hover 40 degrees there as well. Then we'll start to take a little bit of a dip towards the 30s by the end of the week. Our winds are pretty calm. They're going to come out of the north, and they're not doing too much. And with moisture that's very saturated in the air, looking at 89% relative humidity, some in 100% in northwest Iowa. So with very saturated air and little winds, that's where we'll start to see some of that fog develop. We're starting to see some lower visibilities, but again, more widespread and with lower visibilities through the overnight. So mist and patchy fog, a foggy morning with stubborn clouds through the afternoon. 36 degrees, will hover 40 by the afternoon. So there's no really clearing in sight on our satellite. Stormcast HD has that fog in place through the overnight and into tomorrow morning, so be careful on your way to work and school. Then clouds just for the rest of the afternoon, pretty similar to today, gloomy but kind of warm, not too bad. Then we bring in some rain for the overnight into Tuesday morning. I think we'll start with rain as we cool temperatures, then we'll start to turn into snow. That could make for an icy, dicey morning commute on Tuesday. Then we'll decrease the clouds on Tuesday, have more sunshine in the forecast for Wednesday. So looking up from here again as you're on your way to work and school, foggy in the morning with stubborn clouds by the afternoon. So tonight, mist and patchy fog, 30 degrees with some stubborn clouds. For tomorrow, morning fog, then still cloudy in the afternoon. Then we have that overnight rain turning to snow, looking at 42 degrees, which I actually kind of bumped down from earlier. So again, overnight rain turning to snow Tuesday. Could have some slick roads in the morning. Then temperatures pretty steady in the upper 30s, lower 40s. A cooler weekend is in the cards that we're looking at. I'm not looking at cards, but I lost my track of thought. Yeah, no, but a cooler weekend is possible, so I'm keeping an eye on that in the Weather Center.
So tonight with that fog, not really a night to be stargazing. So
no, just take it easy on the roads tonight and tomorrow.
Sounds good. Well, thanks. And when we come